Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Samsung has launched its new smartphone Galaxy F04 of its budget-friendly F series, which is a rebranded version of Samsung Galaxy A04e. Today we will talk about the design, price, and features of Galaxy A04 in detail. If you are new on this channel, then immediately subscribe our channel. Let's start this video. Friends, if we talk about its design then, on its right side power button and volume rockers can be seen, and dual SIM tray is given on left side. At the bottom USB Type-C port, microphone, headphone jack and stereo speakers has been given. The back panel of phone comes with glossy and stylish design, which looks beautiful. On the back of phone, there is a dual camera setup has been given in the top left, in which two cameras are vertically merged, and dual LED flash can also be seen. It does not have a fingerprint scanner, but it has a face unlock feature for biometric recognition. If we see overall design then, nothing has been upgraded by Samsung in this phone. If we talk about the body dimensions then, its height is 164.2 mm and 75.9 mm width and thickness is 9.1 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 81.8%. And its weight is 188 grams. And the protection of tempered glass is given and it got less scratch than normal glass. Like other budget phones, its back cover and frame are also made of plastic. After that we talk about display. Galaxy F04 comes with 6.5 inches PLS LCD display with the resolution of HD+. And it gets 60 Hz refresh rate, which is low refresh rate and can take more time to load heavy graphics. And the screen resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels and 270 ppi density is also given, which is almost similar to other smartphone of this segment. If we talk about the operating system of Galaxy F04, then Android 12 OS is used. And the layer of One UI Core 4.1 has been used on it, which is a better user interface. And with that you will also get Android update of 2 years. That means Android 13 and Android 14 automatically will be updated. If we talk about its chipset power then, the MediaTek Helio P3512 nanometers is used. And the same chipset is also used in Vivo Y21 and Galaxy A04e. If we talk about its benchmark score then, total benchmark score of Galaxy A04 is 213,754. An octa-core CPU has been used, in which 2.35 GHz is the highest frequency. And Power VRGE8320 GPU support is given, which is the average level of GPU. If we talk about cameras then, it has a main sensor of 13 megapixels with a wide aperture of f2.2. An autofocus feature is also given, which is suitable for shooting of moving objects. The second is depth sensor of 2 megapixels. Which has f2.4 aperture for taking pictures of small objects. And you can record maximum video of 1080 pixels at 24 fps from the main camera. You can also get clear or high quality images from this video, which is good feature for vloggers. Galaxy F04 has a central punch hole camera of 5 megapixels with f2.5 aperture for selfies. It cannot provide detailed selfie but satisfy your selfie cravings. If we talk about memory then, Galaxy A04 has 4 GB RAM. It comes with single variants of 4 GB plus 64 GB internal storage. You can also expand the memory through the dedicated card slot. If we talk about the sound quality then, it has good quality stereo speakers but headphone jack is not given. Let's talk about the connectivity. It supports 4G, 4th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 802.11 and Bluetooth 5.0. If we talk about battery department then, it comes with massive and non-removable battery of lithium-ion polymer 5000 mAh. And fast charger of 15 watt is given, which helps to charge your phone quickly. It is available in jade purple and opal green trendy colors. After seeing overall features and the specifications of Galaxy F04, if we talk about its current market price, then its price is $90, 120 Canadian dollars, 90 euros, 8,000 Indian rupees, 21,000 Pakistani rupees, 10,000 Bangladeshi taka. So, friends, which feature you like most of Galaxy F04 and what is your opinion about its price? Tell us in the comment section. To see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that the latest updates can reach you. Goodbye and take care.